Hello crafty friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Sophia and today I'm going to show you how to take this 5x7 wing pop-up card and rotate it into a landscape card. This card on the right, as you can see, folds flat to exactly 5x7 inches. So let's get started. We're going to start with a 5x13 inches card base. Against the 13 inches side, I'm going to start scoring at 3.5 inches, 5 inches, then flip it and score again also at 5 inches and 3.5 inches. Then we're going to start creasing the two wings, then flip, then the middle strip. Then we fold along the crease scoring like this, and our card base is complete. I like checking afterward to make sure that the card has the correct size. Next, we have here 4 mats and 4 pieces of pattern paper for the 4 large panels, or as I call them, wing panels. Each mat is 3.25 by 4.75 inches, and each piece of pattern paper is 3 by 4.5 inches. And here, I'm just trying my best to center the piece of pattern paper on the mat. Then here we have a mat and a piece of pattern paper for the center panel. The mat is 2.75 by 4.75 inches, and the piece of pattern paper is 2.5 by 4.5 inches. Now let's put them all on the folded card base. These are for the wing panels, and this is for the center panel. Next, I'll prepare the pop-up mechanism. This piece of paper is 1.5 by 2 inches, and against the 2 inches side, I want to score at every half inch. We'll need 2 of these. Now, let's put the pop-up mechanism on. Using any pen or pencil you have, mark the center of the 1.5 side of the pop-up mechanism with tiny dots. I also want to mark the center of the score line here. Then, I put some glue on the 2 outer sections of the pop-up mechanisms. Then line up the 2 marking dots on the mechanism and on the card base, and fold the card base like this. Repeat on the other side. While waiting for the glue in the pop-up mechanism to dry, let's start making the diamonds. And here we have 4 diamond bases, 4 mats, and 4 pieces of pattern paper. Each diamond base is 2.5 by 4 inches. Each mat is 2.25 by 3.5 inches. And each piece of pattern paper is 2 by 3 inches. And we're gonna put them all together. And remember, one of the diamonds we're gonna cut in half. My apology, only during editing did I realize I didn't have any footage for when I put the diamonds on the card. So I made a prototype to show you how to do it. For the wings, I marked the center of the cut side of the diamond halves, then align them with the center mark I put in the pop-up mechanism earlier. For the 2 diamonds on the middle panel, I align their top and bottom corners with where the wing folds meet. And lastly, the center diamond, I just kind of need to align it with the existing ones. And here it is, already beautiful on its own. But of course, I fuzzy cut some images from the pattern paper and use them as a decoration. Thank you for watching and happy crafting! I'm also holding a giveaway. Please check the description for details. See you in the next video.